आमचे पब्लिकेचे काम कितें त्या वाड्यावयलो लोक तांकां झॅम पडना मागीर ती झॅम पडना तेन्ना ती कंप्लेंट करता कंप्लेंट केल्या उपरांत स्टे हाडपाची त्या गोष्टी पुलिशेचें काम।
अंजुना स्थायिकांच्या आंदोलनान आता जाणटी आनी भुरगीं वांटेकारी। लावड म्युझिकाक लागून हैराण जावन 3 दिसां फाटीं अंजुना वाठारांतल्या लोकांनी कॅन्डल लायट मोर्चा काडिल्लो आनी जो मेरेन हाचेर परमनंट सोल्युशन येना तो मेरेन आमी आंदोलन करतले असो इशारो तांणी केल्लो। आमदार डिलायला लोबो तशेंच सगळ्या लोकांक अंजुना पीआय परेश नायक हांणी उतर दिल्लें आपूण पुराय वेळ पोलीस स्टेशनार हजर आसतलो तशेंच रातच्या 10 उपरांत लावड म्युझिक वाजोवंक दिवपाना म्हण। मात रातचे 1 उपरांत लावड म्युझिक लावंक दिल्ल्या कारणान आंदोलनाच्या दुसऱ्या दिसा पीआयन आपलें तोंड दाखयलें ना जेणे करून लोकांक स्वताचो जीव धोक्यान घालून ह्या क्लबांकडेन वचचें पडलें अशें लोकांचें म्हणणें। लोकांक आपले त्रास सांगपाक आनी न्याय मेळोवपाक जाणट्यांक आनी भुरग्यांक लेगीत रातच्या वेळार चलत रस्त्यार मेणवाती घेवन भोंवचें पडलें। लोकांक आपले त्रास सांगपाक आनी न्याय मेळोवपाक जाणट्या आनी भुरग्यांकूय रस्त्यार हाडून तांच्या बरोबर आंदोलनाक भोंवचें पडलें। कांय क्लब आमकां पळोवन म्युझिक बंद करतात आनी मागीर म्हणटात तांची जागा सावंड प्रूफ आसा। आमी गेल्या उपरांत मात रोखडेच ते आपले आशिल्ले तशें म्युझिक परत ऑन करता म्हण लोकांची कागाळ। आमी देवाच्या कृपेन आनी मिडियाच्या सांगातान आमचो आवाज सरकारा मेरेन पावयतले आनी जो मेरेन आमकां न्याय मेळना तो मेरेन हे आंदोलन चालूच दवरतले असो इशारो लोकांनी केला।
We decided to start the march in Gowwadi. As you all can see, we are just in front of Diaz, and this location today we decided because despite all the assurances, despite the complaints yesterday, there was huge traffic. Because of which the traffic PI also had to be called over here, because when the Anjuna PI was contacted, he said this is not my issue, you'll have to contact the traffic PI. Okay, now we just want to show everyone that Diaz is still on. It is mentioned day pool night club. The residents of Gowwadi who are affected immediately will let you all know, is this a club? And there we have XOXO. So they'll talk about what problems they are facing here and why even after assurances given yesterday it is still a failure, because there are loopholes that these venues can utilize, which is what happened to one of our villagers yesterday. They went home, the music started after an hour. Equipments are being collected, but what equipment? Speakers and amplifiers that can be purchased for 15,000-20,000. One ticket in these venues is possibly sold at 5,000, 10,000. It is a mere joke that we are picking up such equipments. And secondly, Diaz, we have to remind everyone that Diaz was a venue we had come to earlier and we had got the equipment seized. That time the equipment was seized, and I don't know what happened to the follow-up because there was no FIR filed. We don't know what happened to that. Now, can establishments run even after they have violated the noise pollution rules and equipments were seized? What is the process? And today, if in case they are closed now, what prevents them from switching on at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock? So we just want to understand how do we get a resolution and what solution is happening, because now today I think it would be better if the residents start.
Today is day 3 of our peaceful candlelight march. Okay, and in the last 2-3 days, no doubt the volumes have been down, but the aftermath of this noise pollution is that streets were congested since the last 3 days. Today morning it was so bad on either side of the road. The cars were parked even down there. The neighbors could not move out from there. Achha. There were tourists who were semi-nude on the streets, huffing and puffing away. And we leave our homes early in the morning. Till about 9:30 in the morning, it was jam-packed from here till there on almost till near the church.
There was a full traffic over here.
Yeah, traffic jam, terrible. And people were out on the streets. People were out, and the tourists were here. Even last night, when we came from the police station, they were hanging out on our gates with their beers, smoking away. What is this? The tourists they are half nude here.
We are on the road.
On the road, I'm telling you, on the road. They should be over there in the premises, not here out on the road.
In their hands. Sorry.
And don't they have space to park over there inside? No accommodation for that? They need to be out on the roads over here, causing a nuisance.
म्युझिक 5 सुमार आयकोंक येयल्या वेन आय गॉट अवे सिंग आनी मागीर ट्रॅफिक हांवें पळोवंक ना भायर येवन मात म्युझिक आयकोंक येयल्या बट आमी न्हिदेन हाडली लायक एज इट इज रिचली प्लेड एंड ऑल्सो इट डिडंट मेक मी टू कॉल गिव मी सेन्स टू कॉल द कॉप्स एट दॅट टायम बट म्युझिक आहा तेंची म्युझिक हा म्हणून पार्टी लोक येतात ट्रॅफिकाचेरूच कॉम्प्लेन दिस इज द ट्रॅफिक जॅम इन द मॉर्निंग today's day.
Today morning, there must have been hundreds of cars parked on either side of the road.
So, madam,
hundreds of cars.
This is only 2 pictures. That picture from the gate. From the gate. See which picture is this? You want a video? See, this is from inside our gate. How? See how they have blocked our cars. So we want to ask CM. How can he solve our problem? Every now and then we are calling in media. Every now and then we are coming on the street.
We are getting this mild threats, I'll just put it, which is, we also have to take care of ourselves, of our families. So this is what the scenario is of Diaz, XOXO. Tokyo has gone down now, but it's really pathetic out here, pathetic. We don't have to, you all are on your beat, whatever, do your patrolling, check these areas. These are areas of frequent complaints. Nobody bothers. They know the numbers by now. They say, where are you calling from? Which place? Where is Diaz? Where is Gawadi? I mean,
okay.
This is not expected from. Stupid questions they keep on asking.
This is why we need noise monitoring systems. And just to end this, I just want to ask one thing that today we received a news that in Anjuna police station, SP of North Goa, Akshat Kaushal sir, who has so many times he has been very good to us on the venues. He has been very helpful. But even I am stunned this time that Akshat Kaushal sir, who's helped us in the past, is now not even ready to make a statement. Is not even ready to respond to us either on Twitter, where he is very active. He is not even addressing the issue. But he has sacked an official, the duty, the one who sets the roster. Now I don't know, amidst all this crisis, you are suspending someone who is not setting the roster properly. What are your priorities?
पंचायतीन दिलेले आसा या गाववाडीच्या लोकांनी घातलेली RTI घातलेली अजून बसून मेळोंक ना 6 महिने क्रॉस जावन जाले आता कोण ऑथॉरिटी इज नॉट फंक्शनिंग दिस इज व्हॉट वी कॅन से आनी कितें म्हणूंक जाता कोण NOC दिला कितें दिला कितले मागलेले अजून दिवंक ना तेणी
शिवोलची ट्रॅफिक कालांगूट आणि कालांगूटची ट्रॅफिक शिवोली वयतली कशी इस्कोलाच्यो बशी अंजुना टू म्हापसा भुरग्यांक पावोवपाक वयतल्यो कश्यो त्यो हा व्हडल्यो आणि दोन्ही मोटर पार्क केल्या रस्त्याचेर हे नॅरो स्पेस ओन्ली मोटर बायक्स कॅन पास हे प्रॉब्लम आणि थर्ड अंजुना ट्रॅफिक सेल डिपार्टमेंट अंजुना आसोन तेणी आतां हांगा आसोंक जाय आसलें ही ट्रॅफिक मॅनेज करपाक ते आतां खंय आहा ते फकत ह्यो 4 वाजताचेर तुका तालोवन दिवपाक आतां खंय ते ही तांची ड्युटी आसूंक जाय नायट ड्युटी आनी डे ड्युटी तालोवंगात रातचे हांगा ट्रॅफिक मॅनेज कर हो म्हाजो रिक्वेस्ट फॉर द कन्सर्न ऑथॉरिटी दॅट्स ऑल
या एका वयतल्यात मेळोंक
तुम्ही आता पंच मेंबर हांगसरले लोकल पंच मेंबर हांगा तुका कितें जाता पळय कोण रावता सगळ्यांची तुका डिटेल्स खबर आसतली हे जे आता क्लब जे दिला पळय ताका पंचायतीक परमिशनान एप्लाय केला आसतले तुका खबर आसपाक जाय तूं पंचायत मेंबर हांव एकूच कंप्लीट करता मागीर तूं उलय ते जेन्ना परमिशन दिला पळय तेन्ना पंचायतीन खबर आसली तुका ही गजाल दिल्या
सगळ्यो डिटेल्स आख्या गांवाच्यो म्हाजे तकलेन भितर वचना रावून
तुजी वाड्यावयली
वाड्यावेल्याक खंयच्योय जावं ताका लायसन्स दिलां कोणें दिलां केन्ना दिलां तें म्हाका खबर ना यू अंडरस्टूड आय एम हियर फॉर लास्ट टर्म आनी हो आतां करंट टर्म म्हाजे मिसेसीचो तुमकां कोणान तर भितरली चवकशी काडूंक जाय लेकीन अप्रोच द पंचायत बाबा हांकां लायसन्स कोण दियात आनी म्हणटा ते शोशो ते हा थंय हें खबर काडूंक जाय तुमकां ऑपरेट करपाक तुमकां लायसन्स आहा बाय रेस्टॉरंट आहा तुमकां म्युजीक प्ले करपाक तुमकां दिलां बाय लेसन डेप्युटी कलेक्टर तें वचून चॅक करूंक जाय सगळीं क्वेश्चनां म्हाजे आय कॅन आन्सर यू
बट पंचायत एज अ पंचायत मेंबर
बाबा पंचायत मेंबर 11 मेंबर्स आहा ती पंचायत हांगा व्हडली तुका थिंगाची नोती अंडरस्टूड न्हू आय कॅन आन्सर ऑल दीस क्वेश्चन कोणाक तुका आन्सर जाय न्हू दे हॅव टू अप्रोच द बाय RTI बाबा तांकां लायसन्स दिलां कितें दिलां दे हॅव टू फायंड आउट
When a larger part of the local community which has been staying here for generations has an issue, then the panchayat has the responsibility to withdraw the licenses. It doesn't matter who has given the license and when.
आमचे पब्लिकेचे काम कितें ते वाड्यावयलो लोक तांकां झॅम पडना मग ती झेम पडाना त्यांना ती कंप्लेंट करता. कंप्लेंट केल्या उपरांत स्टे हाडपाची त्या गोष्टी पुलिशेचे काम. म्हणून आम्ही पुलिशेर वयता. आम्ही पंचाकडे येवची ना, कारण पंचाक खबरूच ना.
पण स्टार्टिंग मॅडम एनओसी दिता ही पंचायत दिता. मागीर काल स्थानिक पंच मेंबर कित्याक नसलो थंय?
असलो ह्यो असलो पाटील आसलो न्हू,
कोयर असलो. काल कित्याक
आता
नासलो?
ते हांव नोकरी कित्याक घातली आता हे हेंचो रायट हे
कित्याक गांव म्हटलं की स्थानिक पयली जाय, व सरपंच तरी जाय. तेचे तुम्ही मातशें उत्तर दिया. आता तुम्ही ब्लेम करता पुलिसाक. ओके, पुलीस एनओसी दिता. मॅडम पुलीस एनओसी दिता
दिना, आपण स्टे हाडू शकता.
स्टे हाडू शकता.
काल आम्ही हॉटेल बंद घातले, लाखाचे नुकसान झाले.
पंचायतीचो कितें रोल आसा काय ना?
आमकां धमकी येयली, आमच्या भुरग्याक मारले, काळखान धरून मारले. कित्याक मारले? तेका लुकसाण जाले. तेका दुखपाक जाय. जेन्ना तेका दुखतले तेन्ना तो कोणाकडे तरी वयतलो. तो कोणाकडे वयतलो तेन्ना तेचे हे आयज कित्याक गेले? हेंका कितें तरी जबाबदारी आहा न्हू. वोटर्स तेंचे तेका जबाबदारी आहा म्हणून ते येयले. तेंका आमी जाय काय नाका हो प्रश्न आमकां विचारता. आम्ही तुमकां विचारता, आम्ही पंचाक विचारता, पुलीस आम्ही जाय काय नाका? नाल्यार तुम्ही त्या कुरक्या इलेक्शनाक येऊ नका, कित्याकूच येऊ नका, बंद घाला, आमची हेल्प घेऊ नका.
त्रास केन्नाच्यान जाता हो?
इवन ती सांगतली 23 चढ जालो. आता हेंच्यानी इतल्या गोगा तर इतलो
मॅडम तोच प्रश्न ना.
23
त्रास जाता.
आवाज साऊंड सिस्टम वाढला मॅडम.
23 त्रास जाता न्हू. ऑलमोस्ट 1-2 वर्सां त्रास जाता.
तांकां खबर आसतली.
For me, since I've grown up in Vagator, I had to study with my fingers plugged in my ear. Okay, but during that time in the 90s, the music was not playing so continuously like how it is now. That time they used to have 2 days continuous party somewhere in the jungle by the hippies. Okay, it was from that time. But then from 2000 onwards, you just see 2000, the year 2000, how many clubs are just mushrooming.
So our question is that only now. What Panchayat took the stand?
Now we had, as Vagator people, once last year, I'm not sure if it is last year, we did take a resolution in the Gram Sabha meeting, and we told the Panchayat. I had spoken to him especially. I told him, see, y'all are giving an NOC for restaurants, right? They said yes. I said, but they are misusing it. Okay, and y'all are saying y'all cannot do anything, so why don't y'all revoke it?
So they can revoke it, no?
They can revoke, and they said yes, we can revoke it. And they remove a shop, and they also said we would do that. But till today, nothing is being done.
My point is that only.
Yeah, and this was a suggestion given to us by Michael Delilah Lobo when we had gone to him. They can revoke licenses. The Panchayat can revoke licenses. Please tell them to do that. And that is why all of us had gone. Many people had gone from Vagator. But till today, not one club was revoked.